Hi, this is A.J.B from A.J.B Counseling and Psychotherapy, a private practice located in Manhattan. This video is going to be a continuation of a series I'm making on how to deal with chest tightness. In this video, we're going to be doing kind of the opposite of what I've been asking you to do in the original video. So in the original video, I talked about, well, kind of getting away from chasing that full breath. In this video, we're going to use that occasional full breath to our advantage. We're going to slow it down so that it can keep us stretched out longer. So if you've been dealing with chest tightness for a while, then you're probably familiar with this weird phenomenon where you're chasing after this nice full breath, and sometimes most often happens when you're yawning, or you'll sometimes try to make yourself yawn so that you can have that nice relaxed full breath, but it's rare, right? What I'm going to want you to do is that when that breath comes, maybe you've learned how to induce it on a more consistent basis. When you induce it or when it comes, what I want you to do is hold it. Hold that breath. So let's say right now I catch that breath, right? Let's say he's like, oh, that's a great one. Awesome breath. I got it, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it. Just going to hold it. And I'm going to release it, but very slowly. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to keep that stretch, that internal muscular stretch, for a longer period of time, with the hope that over time these muscles will start relaxing more and more and more, and that my normal rate of breathing, my normal comfortable breathing will return. I would definitely not make this my number one method. I would combine it with all the other stretching kind of methods, like the standing up straight method and the cat stretch method. Or the next one that I'm going to be making, which I'll describe briefly at the end of this video. Now, heads up, when you do this exercise, be prepared to get massively lightheaded. I probably wouldn't recommend doing this standing up. I would sit down when doing this exercise. You will really get lightheaded. Now, one caveat here is that if you have panic disorders, if you have a panic disorder, panic attacks that are triggered by this fear that you're not breathing, or the fear that you might be fainting, then there's a decent chance that doing this and getting so lightheaded will trigger your panic attacks. So if you don't have panic attacks, no worries. Go for it, enjoy the ride. But if you do, heads up, it might trigger your panic attack, which isn't bad, actually. One of the best ways to overcome panic attacks is to willfully face them, so that you can realize that they're not going to be as dangerous or dangerous at all as you imagined. So stick around for the next video. In the next video, I'll be talking about doing a full exhalation. This trick relies on a muscle response that this other relaxation method uses, and you might have heard of this. Is the progressive muscle relaxation technique. It's where you contract the muscle and relax it. So we'll be doing something similar in the next video, and I'll walk you through that. And I'll see you in the next video.